Guys, key trade today is January 23rd, and we ended up taking a small win at a 20-point scalp. So the title of this video, right, what's the best trade you can take? The best trade you can take is absolutely nothing. This market sucks, right? This week, the market is slow. How do we know the market is slow? We can simply look towards news, guys. It's simple. Let me go to our news tab real quick, our schedule. Look at very light, not much days I'll be interested in besides Thursday and Friday red folders, and it didn't do much, right? We have no trading day Monday. We have a short week, and we don't see any really big news. And after you see Tuesday and Wednesday slow PA, I doubt Thursday was going to be good, and I doubt Friday is going to be good. But you never know till you hop on. And why does the market slow? Because we have big news coming into the next week, right? So if we go to our calendar, next week we can see what? Consumer confidence, FOMC federal funds rate, GDP, unemployment claims, core PCE. We see a lot of big news. So if we go from a week like this, where we have PPI, CPI, retail sales, right? We have big news, and then we have a bank holiday, and we see not much, right? It's not surprising. But the best trade you could take is nothing this week. But we execute on opportunity, right? And I haven't seen much opportunity this week. We took one trade in the PM yesterday for about a 13-point, just scale break even. The market didn't offer much for that setup. And then we took a 20-point trade a day, scale break even as well. But that's the discipline. Remember the discipline that I talked about in previous videos. If we do not get our model, if we do not get our edge, if we do not see a clear draw, then there's no trade to be taken today. But a very quick recap for you guys, and it's just simple. Right, my plan, I wanted to see market draw back into the 4-hour fair value gap and then find some selling pressure. I was looking towards this 4-hour fair value gap. I wanted to see market draw into this off the open and then find selling pressure back down to run lower. Again, the plan overall was not right today at all. I wanted to see a manipulation sweep before continuing longs. We ended up not really getting much manipulation besides sweeping out these consolidation lows, which is honestly enough. But I was hoping that market left these lows and manipulated higher, swept out this high, and then ran all the way down. This is what I was hoping for today. I did not get that. But we did get on a small setup. Again, it's an S&G inverse setup. We can keep track of this 530 high here after this little news volume. We fail to sweep it on NQ, and we make a lower high here. We go to ES. ES was relatively strong. And as you can see off the open, the 530 high here gets swept on ES, and it makes a higher high. Higher high for ES. Go to NQ. Lower high. So now after the SMT, I'm looking for what? A point of entry, and it comes on the inverse. Right? I liked, although it was choppy, I liked the fact that this bullish fair value gap, right? I like the fact that we see it hold. It dips all the way down, closes in range, closes in range, closes, closes. I like that we respect. We made one more sweep higher. Right, once we inversed, I grabbed my short here. I gave it about a 15-point stop to make 20 points. So somewhere, I believe it was, yeah, these big highs here. Right, short entry on the close. And then my target, scale break even here. And then full TP down to this low, which was never met. This is all we took today. And honestly, I'm totally content with that. 20-point trade, 15-point risk, about a 1-to-1. That's all it offered. Right, I was looking for longs after the reversal, and market just sucks. Sucks here, and here, and here. And there's nothing. So what is the best trade you could take in this market, right? I'm 2 for 2 this week. We haven't really caught much, and we've had no trade days. But the best trade you can take is nothing, right? No trade is a trade. It's what? It's capital preservation, right? Protecting your capital. And it's also what? Building discipline. Right? What do we know? We know when the market heats up, we will eat, right? We will eat when the market heats up, right? We will eat when the market heats up. So why am I going to force trades and bad price action? Again, this is my model, so this is a totally fine trade. If it would have lost, it would have been totally fine, right? No trade is a trade, right? Capital preservation here. It builds discipline. If you can sit on the chart and have a bias or have a target get met and you just didn't see a setup or didn't see anything that aligned with your edge, that is better than 99% of traders can do. And I look towards some of the best traders in the space. They didn't take any trades this week. They haven't taken much. They've been pretty risk off, and we've just been small size, taking what the market offers. 13 point, scale break even, 20 point here, right? The market hasn't offered much. And we're going to adapt and play what it gives us. Because why? When the market heats up, we are going to feast. But that is just a quick recap for you guys. January 23rd, just a quick recap. Right, again, the best trade to take is to not take a setup. Just stay disciplined for better price action. Stay disciplined for better days. Because what? When the market heats up, we're going to feast. But that's going to be it for you guys. Just some quick, small. And tomorrow's Friday. We'll see what we get. Don't really care if we don't trade. So be it. But we're going to continue to stay composed. Continue to wait for our edge. And we're going to execute at quality opportunity, clear price action, and clear narrative. Because that's how we're profitable. That's where money is made. But until next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, there's a link in the bio. We'd love to have new members. But until next time, guys, peace out.